Lake Metroparks has featured local artists for a number of years, and we provide various venues for their work. We've had oil paintings, wood carvings, quilts, sculptors, and floral designers. These are watercolors. Watercolors have been used by artists for centuries to capture the spontaneous beauty of nature. Our artists that painted these are in a local group called the Paint Company. You can view these paintings through October 9th at Penitentiary Glen Reservation. Our local artists are as talented and creative as anywhere in America. These paintings make the perfect keepsake gift for someone special. Thank you for supporting local artists. They make our community a richer, more beautiful place to live.